This video will teach you how to find matching values in two columns in Excel using conditional formatting. Select the columns you would like to compare. Click Conditional Formatting from the Home tab. Select Highlight Cells rule and then Duplicate Values. Click OK on the pop-up window. Ensure the window reads Duplicate in the left-hand box. The other box allows you to change the colors Excel uses to indicate duplicates, and click OK. Identify the matching values. Excel will now highlight any duplicates with the formatting you chose. Using conditional formatting to find matching values is a handy way to find matches that may not be in the same row. Using VLOOKUP. Create a third column next to your two columns of data. Enter the VLOOKUP formula into the first row of the third column. The formula is as follows. Copy the VLOOKUP formula all the way down. Look for matching values in your third column. Using a true or false formula, create a third column next to your two columns of data. Enter the true or false formula into the third column. Copy the formula all the way down. Look for a true or false assessment in the third column. Matching values will turn up a true value. If there is no match, the box in the third column will read false. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.